Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best toilet floor bolts and cap set that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Toilet Floor Bolts and Cap Set. Securing your toilet to the floor are two long bolts, called closet bolts, that come up through the base of the toilet and are secured with nuts. Toilets usually come with plastic decorative caps that hide these bolts, but often the caps go missing, or they pop off every time you clean the toilet, making them more trouble than they're worth. Number 10. Stinky John's Tall Toilet Bolt Caps Variety Pack. This 4-pack includes a pair of 1/4 inch bolt caps and a set of 5/16 bolt caps. Stinky John's Tall Toilet Bolt Caps are designed. Main features. Includes a set of caps for 1/4 inch. Match your colored toilet, instead of cutting the bolts. Number 9. Fluidmaster 7115 Replacement Toilet Bolt Caps in White. 2-pack, white, plastic toilet bowl cap. This product is highly durable. This product is easy to use. This product is manufactured in China. Main features. Manufactured in China. Easy to use. Installs easily. Number 8. Toto THU 044 Number 01 Bolt Cap and Base for all models bidet and toilet. Attention to detail. Continuous improvement. Over 1,000 research and development professionals and 90+ years of experience fuel Toto's product quality. Main features. Bolt cap and base. One side of toilet. Cotton finish. Number 7. Halex 58020 Service Entrance Cap. Each 2 inches silver. 2 inches, aluminum, service entrance cap, clamp type for rigid/intermediate or thin wall, 2 holes, 3/4 of an inch. Main features. Clamp on type. Mounts on top of Met. Mounts on top of EMT. Number 6. Kohler K101309295 Bolt Cap Accessory Pack, Ice Gray. After 4 generations, we remain a family-owned company. We're still leading the industry in innovation. Main features. Kohler Genuine Part. Bolt Cap Accessory Pack. Engineered to promote product longevity. Number 5. Lasco 635249 2 1/4 solid brass bolt 1/4 of an inch acorn nuts. Proved with 1/4 inch acorn nuts, stainless steel washers and round bolt cover caps code. Main features. Easy and simple use kit. Nuts and washers. The product is manufactured in China. Number 4. Jocon SF9000 PVC Flexible Vinyl Round Tip End Cap Steel. This cap is made of polyvinyl chloride, easy to take off. A wide range of applications, adding protection and offering a neater finish. Main features. 100 pieces new black tip end caps. Easy push to install. Little end cap for shutter pins. Number 3. The Fluidmaster Toilet Bolts is a no-tool, easy to repair. From the same team that brought you the Fluidmaster Jack, the Fluidmaster Bolt is a simple and low-cost patented solution to easily install. Main features. First, truly tool-free toilet bolt system. High-impact plastic. Easy to remove. Number 2. Toilet Floor Bolts and Cap Set. These bolts are made of long-lasting durable brass. 1 pair bolts with double nuts and washers for toilet upside and bottom. Universal fit for most toilet. Solid brass closet bolt set. Main features. Easy and simple use kit. Round caps. Used to cover toilet bolts. Number 1. Stinky John's Tall Toilet Bolt Caps. Don't cut those bolts. Available in either a 2-pack or 4-pack set, Stinky John's Tall Toilet Bolt Caps are designed. Main features. Instead of cutting the bolts. No more unsightly loose-fitting caps. Stinky John Tall Toilet Bolt Caps are paintable. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.